Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for being here with me. My name is Daisy Love, and today let's look a little bit into recruiters. Let's look a little bit into what recruiters are looking for and are seeking as you are into your, job employment, looking for job. So, when on the job market, what is it that you need to understand about a recruiter? The first thing that I wrote is that you must understand that recruiters will run a background check on you. So, everywhere, ladies and gentlemen, people want to know who they are hiring. So 9.9 times out of 10, when a recruiter, a company is interested into your candidacy, they are going to run a background check on you. Therefore, if you are having any issues, any legal issues, I think it's best that you come honest, and during the interview you may inform them about maybe certain type of issues that you've had, runoff that you've had with the laws. One thing that you must understand when it comes to life is that progress is what people are usually looking for. So don't feel down if in the past maybe it doesn't look squeaky clean. What you must understand that you are moving forward. So recruiters are always going to be doing a background check on an individual that they are interested in. The second thing, I said that your social media pages will be scrutinized. Everyone is on social media. Everyone has, well, for the most part, I don't want to generalize. Most people are on social media. Most people have a YouTube and Instagram, a TikTok page. If you are using social media, you must understand that a recruiter is going to scrutinize this page. And even if your page is private, they actually have ways to go around and look into your page. So make sure when you are on the job market that you pay attention to what you post, that you pay attention to the way in which you are sharing yourself. I'm not saying not to be honest and not to be free, but understand that when you are on the job market, people are looking at social media pages, they're looking into who you are. Number three, I say that recruiters may reach to a professional contact without your permission. Absolutely. When that recruiter is really, really interested and you provided a professional contact, they're not going to call you and let you know ahead of time that they are contacting your contact. They are going to reach out to the person. Always be in the habit of understanding who you are writing down as a professional contact. You don't want to write a professional contact who is a friend, and then next thing you know, you've applied for a job and you have a fallout between you and that friend, and that person gives a very, very poor report about who you are. It is a lot better when you are in the job market to have a professional contact that is not a friendly contact. Maybe someone that you were very nice to, very cordial with, but you don't have any closeness, any proximities with that person. Are we hearing what I'm saying? It's really important for us to understand who to write as a contact person, who to write as a professional contact. Okay. Lastly, I say be mindful of political affiliation and opinions. Now, it's really important. The times of today's are very, very, very tense everywhere in the world, and we all have opinions. I'm okay with that. I'm a big person when it comes to political opinions as well. However, understand that your political views and your political opinions may be the cause of you not actually landing the right position, because these days companies, they don't want to meddle. Businesses, a lot of times, they don't really want someone who is highly opinionated when it comes to politics. Maybe they have a particular viewpoint that you don't have. So be on the lookout for that, and also be mindful about what you're sharing when you are in the job market. I hope that these tips were very, very helpful to you. And I also want to let you know that if you are looking for a mentorship program, don't forget to check us up. Our mentorship session is starting on March 9th and our registration is open. Send your email, youth agency international at gmail.com.